Manipur State Legal Services Authority, Maslsa, conducted legal awareness program on right to fair compensation and transparency in Land Acquisition, Rehabilitation and Resettlement Act 2013 at Jubilee Hall, UBC, Ukhrul. Chief Justice of High Court of Manipur, Justice K. Somashekar, Judge of High Court and Executive Chairman of Maslsa, Justice A. Bimol, and Judge and Chairman of High Court Legal Services Committee, Justice A. Guneshwar Sharma, also with President of Tangkhul Nagalong, Swart Vasum, attended the program. More than 200 village chiefs and ministers from Ukhrul and Kamjong districts participated in the program alongside officials including Registrar General of High Court Ojesh Mutum, Member Secretary of Maslsa Elek Muiva, and District and Session Judge Ukhrul Rina Sarto attended the program. In his speech, Chief Justice Somashekar emphasized Article 39A of the Constitution, which guarantees equal access to justice, and highlighted the role of legal services institutions in protecting citizens' rights. He urged the public to utilize Lok Adalats and mediation for dispute resolution. Justice Bimol said the awareness program was important in view of ongoing development and road expansion in Ukhrul. He stressed that land acquisition must be fair and transparent, with compensation reflecting not just market value, but also social and emotional aspects. He also reminded that scheduled tribe communities are entitled to free legal aid under the law. Justice Guneshwar Sharma spoke on legal rights of landowners and importance of recognizing customary laws in dispute resolution, suggesting such settlements can be formalized through Lok Adalats. A technical session was led by Mr. Elek Muiva, who gave detailed presentation on Land Acquisition Act 2013.